If certain websites, browser games, 3D applications, or graphics-based tools are not working properly in Google Chrome, there is a chance that WebGL 2.0 is disabled on your browser or device. WebGL 2.0 helps Chrome display advanced graphics directly inside websites without needing extra software. The good news is that enabling it is usually very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. Just follow along carefully and you should have WebGL 2.0 running within a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the address bar at the top. Type chrome://settings/system and press enter. This will open Chrome's System Settings page. Here, you need to make sure that the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware for better performance and is very important for WebGL features. If the hardware acceleration option is currently turned off, enable it by clicking the switch. After turning it on, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click the Relaunch button so the changes can take effect. Once Chrome opens again, click on the address bar and type chrome://GPU, then press enter. This page shows all graphics features currently enabled inside Chrome. Look for the section called Graphics Feature Status. Under this section, find WebGL and WebGL 2. If both say Hardware Accelerated, then WebGL 2.0 is already enabled on your browser. If WebGL 2 is disabled or unavailable, there is another setting we should check. Type chrome://flags into the address bar and press enter. This opens Chrome's Experimental Features page. At the top of the page, you will see a search box. Type WebGL into that search bar. Look carefully through the results. If you see settings related to WebGL, GPU rasterization, or graphics acceleration, make sure they are enabled or set to default. Do not randomly change unrelated flags because incorrect settings may cause browser problems. After making changes, click the Relaunch button again at the bottom of the screen. Chrome will restart with the updated settings. Now, let's test if WebGL 2.0 is working correctly. Open a new tab and search for WebGL Test. Open a trusted WebGL demo website. If you can see moving 3D graphics or animations without errors, then WebGL 2.0 is working successfully in Chrome. If WebGL still does not work, the issue may be related to your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent Chrome from using advanced graphics features. In that case, update your graphics drivers through Windows Update or from your graphics card manufacturer's website. After updating, restart your computer and test WebGL again. Another important thing to remember is that some older computers or unsupported graphics cards may not fully support WebGL 2.0. In those situations, Chrome may automatically disable certain graphics features for stability reasons. So that's the easiest way to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are enabling hardware acceleration, checking Chrome GPU settings, reviewing Chrome flags if necessary, and updating graphics drivers if WebGL is still unavailable. Most users can fix the issue in just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.